From Dashboard, expand Purchases in the left menu. Select Purchase Bills, review existing documents and their payment status, then choose New Bill. The new bill form captures the vendor, supplier document, tax treatment, expense line and deduction control in one transaction. Choose the demo supplier, enter supplier invoice TDS Demo 2026-001 and set the supplier invoice date to 31st July. Use bill date 31st July, due date 15th August, confirm ITC eligibility and place of supply, then switch to accounting mode for a direct expense ledger. Search Professional and select Ledger 6180, Professional and Legal Fees. This classifies the professional cost correctly in the final accounts. Describe the accounting advisory service, enter SAC 9982, quantity 1 and 18% GST. Review the taxable value, separately shown GST and total. Record a note to verify section, threshold, PAN and deduction date. Enter 60,000 as the fee base, above the displayed threshold. Because GST is shown separately, TDS remains based on 60,000. Select BooksIQ code 1027 for section 393 professional fees, shown with former label 194J, at 10%. BooksIQ suggests TDS of 6,000 on the 60,000 base. Confirm the vendor PAN and any higher rate rule before posting. After review and approval, select Record Bill to post both the purchase and the linked TDS entry. Bill 0010 is open. The TDS panel confirms section 194J as the transitional label 10%, base 60,000 and deduction 6,000. The bill remains editable through control actions. The deduction entry debits accounts payable 6,000 and credits TDS payable 6,000, transferring the withheld amount from the vendor liability. The purchase journal debits professional fees 60,000, input CGST 5,400 and input SGST 5,400, and credits accounts payable 70,800. After TDS, vendor due is 64,800. Return to Dashboard, expand Reports in the left menu, and use this section to review deduction statements. Select TDS Returns. BooksIQ opens financial year 2026-27 and Q2 Form 140. Q2 deductions and outstanding TDS payable both show 6,000, proving the bill reached the return register. Form 140 is prepared but not filed. BooksIQ warns that no challan is linked against the 6,000 deduction. The FI summary shows July deduction 6,000, deposited 0, unpaid 6,000 and deposit due by 7th August 2026. The deductee row shows code 1027, PAN, amount paid 60,000 and TDS 6,000. The empty challan register must be completed before filing.